You're invited to journey back in time, to discover our beginnings and explore how our world evolved. We're going to go on an adventure with one of Scotland's greatest scientists, James Hutton. He was a philosopher, a scientist and a farmer, and he was known for many things during the Enlightenment period, but it was his discoveries in geology that led to over 300 years of knowledge and innovation. We're going to honour that legacy by creating the Siccar Point Deep Time Trail.
So this is Hutton's unconformity at Siccar Point, the most famous unconformity in the world. And it's so important because it's this place where we really, for the first time, people are understanding and illustrating the processes of the earth on a large scale. And I think one of the sort of hidden secrets of Siccar Point that people perhaps don't realise is just how much a pilgrimage spot it is. We've got this opportunity now, particularly with the awareness of James Hutton and the tercentenary, we've got this opportunity to make a change here.
So I think that geotourism is something that has so much potential and it's not really been tapped into until now, and by having this trail it's going to encourage, not just geology enthusiasts and people that already have that interest. It will hopefully inspire new people to get involved with geology and start to take that interest in their local heritage.
So the Deep Time Trail will finish at a stone structure here, the Discovery Point, with a view down to Siccar Point. So it'll be a circular stone wall made of the rocks that James Hutton found here at Siccar Point, the greywacke, the old red sandstone on top. And within this circular structure there'll be a seat so that people can sit here and contemplate deep time and read information boards and access online information about the story, not just of Siccar Point itself, but of how this whole landscape of the Scottish borders inspired James Hutton and the development of his ideas.
We are hugely excited about the James Hutton tercentenary in June 2026, and I absolutely support this crowdfunder. I have no doubt that if we're successful with this crowdfunder, we will build a path to Siccar Point which will inspire new generations of people to come to the south of Scotland to enjoy these views, but to understand and to celebrate that story of James Hutton and his two friends on a boat out there in 1788, and we will make sure that it powers the visitor economy.
James Hutton in 1788 had been theorising for years that the earth was in the millions of years old, not the thousands that many had been claiming for centuries. His thoughts were revolutionary, and this place, Siccar Point, is in geology textbooks all around the world. It should be more visited, it should be more celebrated, and with our help, the Scottish Geology Trust will do exactly that.
The Scottish Geology Trust is here to ensure we inspire the next generation to learn, preserve and enjoy our unique landscape. In order to build this time trail, we're launching a crowdfunder to raise vital funds. Join in and help us inspire the next generation to whom we entrust Scotland's future. Donate now and let's make sure this important story is not lost to time.